Behind every powerful production process lie proper engineering, advanced technology, and years of experience. At ONMART Packaging Machines, we develop industrial packaging machines that make production processes faster, more efficient, and more reliable. At the heart of our expertise are filling, capping, and labeling machines designed for liquid and viscous products. To meet different production capacities and requirements, we offer a wide range of solutions, from semi-automatic machines to high-capacity, fully automatic systems and complete production lines. At ONMART, the production journey of every machine begins with a clear understanding of our customers' needs. We carry out our projects entirely in-house, from the first step to the final stage. Engineering calculations, mechanical and industrial design, automation systems, software development, component manufacturing, assembly, and testing are all meticulously handled by our expert teams. Every machine we manufacture is configured according to the customer's product, packaging type, target capacity, and production conditions. Once assembly is complete, each system undergoes detailed testing at our factory before being made ready for operation. We serve a wide variety of industries, particularly the food, chemical, cosmetics, pharmaceutical, and paint sectors. In addition to our expertise in packaging, we also develop cream and sauce filling machines, injection systems, coating machines, and integrated production lines for the bakery and pastry industry. Today, ONMART machines are exported to 36 countries across 4 continents. We continue our work with the responsibility that comes from having established a strong and extensive customer network in the Turkish market as well. From design and manufacturing to installation and commissioning, and from training to technical support and after-sales services, we stand by our customers at every stage. ONMART Packaging Machines, engineering, technology, and trust, extending from Turkey to 4 continents.